अच्छा, ये मैंने तो जरा सिंपलर फॉर्म में बनाया था, ये बिट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, बोथ अराइव एट द सेम रिजल्ट।
जो चार्ट आप ले रहे हैं उसमें इंडिपेंडेंट 14 थे, यहाँ तो इंडिपेंडेंट जो है इतने सारे,
मैं वही आपको दिखाने लगा हूँ, वो दिखाने लगा हूँ।
ये वो फर्क बहुत आएगा आज के चार्ट के मुताबिक।
वो मैं आपको 2008 की बलूचिस्तान की एग्जांपल बताऊंगा, वहां पे भी मोर देन 20% इंडिपेंडेंट आ गए थे। बलूचिस्तान असेंबली की बात कर रहा हूँ कि 20% इंडिपेंडेंट आ गए थे, कंसिस्टेंट पोजीशन थी। रीजन आई से दिस इज माय लॉर्ड,
But can I just ask that you are asking us to look at the chart and the calculation and then give your explanation, whereas the question is simply this: is this the formula that has been used up till now without any change, or is this a new formula?
no, this is what you
Is this
have
the
before
formula
you.
that you have been using, or the ECB has been using up till now? For how long have they been using this formula?
Consistently
Consistently
2002
since
से जब
when?
से-
Since
2002 से जब से ये रिजर्व सीट्स आई हैं, यही फॉर्मूला
जब लॉ बदला तो फिर ये फॉर्मूला नहीं बदला?
लॉ ने कोई चेंज नहीं किया उससे, लॉ जो है वो कंसिस्टेंट है, वो भी यही कर रहा है जो ये जो कैलकुलेशन कर रही है। एंड द रीजन फॉर दैट इज इफ यू टर्न टू, अभी एक जरा रूल ही देख लेते हैं ना, रूल 2 देख लेना,
इस तरह आसान हो जाएगा,
Rule
रूल
95
में उसकी मैथ समझ
जी रूल 95
आप एक्सटेंड कर रहे हैं रूल 94,
उसमें से मैथ्स जो बन रही है।
94 पे हम वापस आएंगे, बट पहले जरा 95 के सब रूल 2 पर जाएंगे, एंड देन वी कम बैक टू 94
जी।
because this confusion is addressed by sub-rule 2 of Rule 95. The seats won by independent candidates shall be excluded from the total number of general seats in the National Assembly, or as the case may be the Provincial Assembly, for the purpose of determination of share of each political party. अब आप अगर, और मैं इसको अब जरा एलैबोरेट करूं, और इसीलिए मैं आपको पहले वो कैलकुलेशन दिखाना चाह रहा था, बिकॉज वहां पे रियल टाइम एग्जाम्पल
95 जरा पूरा पढ़ दें शुरू से।
वो तो नेक्स्ट लेग है, बट मैं उस पर
पहला वाला
जी। The seats won by independent candidates shall be excluded from the total number of general seats in the National Assembly, or as the case may be the Provincial Assembly, for the purpose of determination of share of each political party, provided that if an independent candidate duly joins a political party under sub-rule 6 of Rule 92, he shall not be excluded for the purpose of calculation of total number of general seats of such.
I meant by 95(1).
Sorry, 95(1), sorry. If a contesting candidate, being nominee of a political party, has been elected on more than one general seats, whether in the same or different assemblies, all the seats won by him shall be counted for the purpose of calculation of general seats won by that party in the National or Provincial Assembly, as the case may be. So, when you, at the initial stage, within 3 days of the result having been published in the official gazette, for the purposes of allocation of reserve seats to the political parties, the winners of multiple seats will also be included in the total number of that party. They will not be excluded. This is what 1 does. What 2 does is, it excludes independents from the total number of general seats for working out the share of each political party, with the proviso saying that if he joins an elected political party.
By your reading, then 95(2) should have been in 94, in Rule 94. Rule 95 is doing something else, and it has been specifically given in Rule 95 for the purposes of the calculating where a nominee of a political party is elected on more than one general seat. उसके लिए दिया हुआ है. For the purposes of reserve seats in general, Rule 94 is relevant.
No, it's two. I think it escaped your attention. The seats won by independent candidates shall be excluded from the total number of general seats in the National
That's
Assembly.
precisely what I'm saying. Why wasn't this provision given in Rule 94 if that's how we're going to read it? Because Rule 95 is calculating something different. Rule 94 is calculating something different.
No,
you want
sorry.
us to borrow now
Sorry.
from 95 to read it with 94 and say that this is how it's done?
No, sorry. Rules 92 through 96 are all talking about or leading towards one thing, which is filling in the reserve seats.
That's right, but different scenarios. 95 is where a nominee is elected on more than one general seat. Uski calculation.
जी नहीं sorry. जो one है, one talks about only one thing, which is कि अगर एक पार्टी के 10 ऐसे लोग हैं जो 2 सीटों पर आ गए हैं, तो उनकी वो 20 सीटें काउंट होंगी, वो 10 नहीं होंगी, ये वो 1 कह रहा है. So, जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ सीट्स है वो इस वजह से रिड्यूस नहीं हो जाएगा कि उसके एक कैंडिडेट्स मल्टीपल सीट